Hi, I'm Ty. You're watching Osmo Mobile Tutorials, where you'll learn how to get the most out of your device. Before you begin, check that the Osmo Mobile supports the phone you want to use. For device specifications, just visit the link at the bottom of your screen. If you're using an iPhone 6s, push the adjustment bar all the way in. If you're using an iPhone 6s Plus, then you'll need to pull it out all the way. For the iPhone SE, push the adjustment bar all the way in and shift the phone to the left, away from the bump stop, until the gimbal is balanced. For Android phones, you'll need to adjust it until you find the best balance point. As long as you always use the same phone, you won't need to do this adjustment again. Insert your mobile device and twist the holder lock knob to clamp it into place. Now remember, the camera needs to be on your left-hand side when you're looking at the screen. Before turning on the Osmo Mobile, make sure your phone is balanced. If the gimbal droops, keep adjusting it until it's balanced. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Osmo Mobile tutorials.